I'm going to show you how you can save tons of money on simple camera equipment. That would be great for your trips, your camping adventures, your family vacations, or if you just want to take pictures. Stick around, I'll show you how I did it. So if you're new to the channel, I like finding things cheap. Does that mean cheap things? Sometimes it means good things that were cheap. This time I went to a local thrift store, found a couple of tripods for $3 a piece. I'll show you this one first. It's an Ambico, whatever, $3. Totally functions. I checked everything out before I left the store. $3 is $3, but anyway. The only thing was it's kind of made for like a camera or a GoPro or something, but I do have one of those adapters for a little action camera that I bought. So it functions perfectly fine. As you can see, you can even hang it upside down. All the cool tripods you can hang upside down. I haven't found a reason to hang anything upside down yet, but maybe I will. This could be good for a stationary camera. You know, if you don't want a lot of movement in your images, you want to stand still like I'm trying to do right now. That stands up pretty tall. That's really good. That's about the size of the tripod that I'm filming this with. $3, you can't beat it. This one here didn't have a price, so I asked them if they would sell it. How much was it? $3. It's a Pro Series 50-inch tripod from Xtech. I know nothing about it. I will put the price of this thing in the description below. I'll even put it in the video. For all we know, this is a company that doesn't exist anymore. Still in the plastic. Comes with its own little sleeve carrying case. This thing's probably never been used. Let's check it out. Let's see if it works. So let me know down in the comments, what kind of camera stuff do you use? Now this one here does already come with the little thing that you can screw in. It worked great for a phone or a camera. How tall does this one get compared to the other one? Probably not as tall, 50 inches. That one seems like it's a little taller. Maybe you want to film something on a table. This could work for that. Maybe you want to film in stars. Work for that too. Anyway, $3. Looks like it's never been used. So for $6, I got 2 tripods that I can add to my arsenal of things. If you found this video useful, feel free to share it with your friends. Also, please hit that like button. It really helps our channel. Feel free to subscribe as well. Thanks for checking out the video. So let me know down in the comments, what do you think about my $6 finds? It's a little flimsy. It's going to be okay. I mean, we're not climbing mountains with that thing. This one's a little more sturdy. Obviously made for a camera. Would you have bought these for $3 a piece? Let me know.